we will for next class, and I'm going to post it as well. The topic I have is rather simple. Okay, it's basically a person's routine. Okay, and they are going to talk about their daily routine, right? And you will notice that we will slowly go over the grammar part of it as well. But it's like really a person, when they wake up, when they brush their teeth and they're reading, you don't have to stick to these images. You can extrapolate it and you can talk about other things. Okay. But like things that they do in a routine manner. So you can definitely see the use of the present indefinite tense here. Okay. So that's what we'll do in the next Sunday class. All of you will have an opportunity to talk about your own routine in Hindi.